Understanding bud formation in English. Hello everyone, and welcome to today's lesson. Today, we're going to explore an interesting phrase in the English language, bud formation. This might sound a bit technical, but don't worry, we'll break it down together. So, let's dive in and understand what this phrase really means. Bud formation refers to a process in biology. A bud is a small part of a plant that develops into a flower, leaf, or new shoot. When we talk about bud formation, we are discussing how these buds are created and develop on a plant. It's a natural process and a crucial part of a plant's growth cycle. To help you understand this better, let's look at some examples in nature. For instance, in spring, you might see buds forming on the branches of trees. These buds eventually bloom into leaves or flowers. This process of bud formation is vital for the survival and reproduction of many plants. Now, let's see how we can use this phrase in sentences. 1. The gardeners are studying the bud formation on the rose plants to predict when they will bloom. 2. In biology class, we learned about the stages of bud formation in flowering plants. Interestingly, bud formation can also be used metaphorically. In a metaphorical sense, it can describe the beginning or early development of an idea, plan, or project, much like a bud is the beginning of a flower or leaf. I hope this video has helped clarify the meaning of bud formation for you. Remember, it's not just a biological term. It can also be a beautiful metaphor for beginnings and growth. Thank you for joining me today, and I look forward to seeing you in our next lesson.